Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to download in Google Drive. Well, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Drive. This video is very useful if you don't know how to download Google Drive. And you're to download any Google Drive. So to download Google Drive, so I'm going to teach you. First thing you need to do is open up your Google Drive. Once you open up your Google Drive, if you're gonna download the video, just click on the video that you want to download, and then click on the download on the top right, download icon top right. After clicking on that, just wait for it because it's scanning for viruses. Once it's all clear, it will download right here. There we go. You see, it's downloading right now. There you go. Once it's done, it's gonna show done. There you go, done. And to download files like this, like Microsoft or maybe PowerPoints or maybe Excel, just click on one of them. For example, we're going to click on this and click on File. After clicking on File, just find the download button right here. And you can choose which one to download it. Microsoft, Open Document, Rich Text Format, PDF, Plain Text, Web Page, EPUB, Publication, and Markdown. So let's go with Microsoft Word. So how, there you go. There you go, guys. So yeah, there you go, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And a quick tip for you guys, you can also just drag right here and you will see an icon of a download button. If you're sure that this is the one that you want to download or file that you want to download, just click on the download icon right here. There you go, it's scanning for virus, and then there you go, it's downloading right here. And there you go, guys. Hope you guys liked the video, hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.